Okay, so it's Wednesday morning. Me and Mark are at a place in Altrincham, a good friend of ours from years ago, Rick. This is his family home. Unfortunately, his parents passed away, his mum's passed away recently. He is or was an antique dealer. He now fixes computers, but he's called us in. Can we do anything with the stuff that's left? It's one of those. He's a good mate. Yeah, we can come and have a look. We're not getting anything for nothing because he's a good mate. We've got to do it properly. And me and Mike are here to have a wander around.
Have a look around.
Let's go in, mate.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do.
That's lovely, isn't it?
It's a this is a posh,
Nice.
a posh area.
Nice.
I think they've just sold this for just shy of $1 million. The house and the condition it's in. I mean, look at the doors that we went back.
Says it all, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not the brightest of lights, unfortunately.
That's nice.
Little low boy.
Yeah.
That's quite a nice. Quite a nice little low boy. That they used to do their mega.
Yeah, once.
And then we're here on the
mantle.
Yeah. I mean, we're left with the
Mantle.
over mantle mirror is quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a lovely mirror. That.
Yeah.
That's. Yeah.
Yeah, it is nice.
That is okay. That. Chairs. We don't need any more chairs, but you know what a shame. It's got to go.
4,000.
Yeah.
660
for it now. That's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Quite nice. I mean, that's quite a nice little sofa, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's okay. I mean, not worth a great deal, are they? Unfortunately.
The lamp stands.
Standard lamp. Yeah.
Nah, standard lamp's all right.
What's it? Yeah. You never know. Rick's mum used to be an avid antique collector. She did not antique fairs, but she used to trade a lot in antiques. Yeah. And his dad was a bit of a wheeler dealer, or a lot of a wheeler dealer. So quite a wealthy family. So I'm expecting some half price stuff. I know.
Picture on the wall.
Yeah.
Carl.
Picture on the wall.
See this one?
It's
nice.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Nice, nice frame.
Yeah.
That's a start, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's a good picture.
Okay. So.
What's in the dome? Right.
Oh, that's quite nice, isn't it? Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paper.
Well, don't touch it.
No, keep it in the dome.
Nice thing for a display on the stall.
Yes, that's a good stall.
Yeah.
Display, yeah.
That's exactly. Cool. Right, so try another room. What's that? Can I buy? So somebody's put the name on it. Can I buy? Little Shin Rosary Chinese mirror.
Yeah.
Quite nice there. Yeah. Okay, and the next room. Well, we don't want a bed to tea, do we?
No, that's interesting.
Nice table.
Yeah. Like that,
Well,
Carl. Discharged, honourably discharged.
Honourably discharged. George, I think. Yeah. It's a good job that's not us, isn't it? That'd be dishonourable discharge. With a nice mirror.
Yeah.
Okay, unusual. Okay.
Well, the marble top table there.
Yeah, that's not too bad, is it?
Quite nice.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Like a bit sampley, isn't it? Sample marbles.
Book for you there, Mark. Staffordshire portrait.
Oh yes, I love my
For your
Staffordshire,
flatbacks,
my Staffordshire flatback
yeah.
collection.
Yeah, that's a bit of an unusual mesomorphic tray, but obviously needs a bit carry packing.
Yeah.
Okay. Box full of linen.
What's the writing desk like, Carl?
It's actually not too bad, really. It's you know, it's.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll go again.
Punch magazine, bit of music.
Yeah. Card table.
Card table. It's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Trouble with these is that they're hard to strip these, and it's able to maybe take the top off, put another top on something. They do go again. That's what. Just more work. It's just not what we need, is it?
No. You're taking the lampshade?
No, I can't take lampshades. Fixtures and fittings for the house, aren't they?
You're going to get his carpet on.
Yeah, if you got it. Nice kitchen table, that's nice.
He likes the doors.
Yeah, I like that, that's original.
Yeah.
And nice.
Nice plank, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, nice three plank,
Then
one drawer on.
Yeah.
That'll go.
That's nice.
That's okay. Nothing in here, nothing in here. No, nothing in there, just nothing, just on modern stuff, isn't it? More doors.
Yeah.
Couple of bowls. Wooden bowls, there you go well.
It's walnuts, is it?
Cellar fella. Right, cool. Let's have a go down the cellar.
I love a cellar.
I know, always interesting, aren't they? Yeah. Right.
Got a television. Yeah.
How we turn these lights on? We do not. Shit. There's one light.
I think it would have been this one.
Would have it?
Yeah.
Well, there's certainly something in it, but there's a fluorescent there, so there must be.
Was that the plug at all now? No, that is the plug.
That is the plug now.
Yeah.
Sure Rick will know how to turn a light on.
Yeah, not much point me coming in here.
No, not at all. We'll get a light on in this in a bit. And that'll do.
There. No,
You've got it?
no.
No. Oh, right.
How's that?
Nice Nouveau standard lamp.
Yeah?
Yeah, that'll do.
Nice
That's
one.
fine. Nice bamboo table.
Yeah. I'll wipe off.
For Les, wipe off, won't it?
Yeah, wipe off.
That'll do there. A couple of boxes will go again, events at some point. Bit mother of pearl inlay. What's there with even the plywood sheets can go. Yeah, that's a nice standard lamp.
Christmas decorations. I'm just looking at the box.
What's that? Amazing. It's a wick for the
Wicks, yeah. Just getting my eyes to focus. Can't see.
Okay, cool. What's that?
Yes, there's other stuff in here, Carl, isn't there?
There is stuff in there, yeah, but we
magazines,
definitely need a light, don't we?
bits,
No, nothing.
TV.
Let's see if we can get it going. No. I've got a good torch in the van.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
I'll take that off the wall. What's that? A salt box without the lid. Okay. No, right. Should we try upstairs?
Yeah.
See what's about there.
So go.
Selection of pictures on the wall, all random pictures, aren't they?
Yeah.
Wow. I don't think there's anything in the family there. Although you never know.
Nice decoration.
Cool, yeah.
The frame's nice.
Nice little, yeah, nice box. Again, everything needs a bit of restoration, doesn't it? Okay. Which way you want?
Mind the step.
Bloody like. Try upstairs.
Yeah, mister.
We've got mad on lighting in this house. Okay, so here you've got a nice reeded column Georgian chest of drawers, which is okay, but brown furniture. Bed's nice.
Bed's nice.
The double bed, yeah, it's very nice that, because that's good, solid. Can do that, that will go again. Mid-century table will go again. Unfortunately, a bow front chest of drawers, they're not worth a carrot, are they?
No.
They're 50 quid, aren't they? You know, which is such a shame.
It's a shame for the dressing.
Yeah, it's just it's a mirror.
Table mirrors are the same, aren't they?
Yeah, not I think. Okay.
One day though, you could keep them, come back. That's nice. I like that.
That's nice, isn't it? That's okay. It's a good, solid,
nice.
That's
nice piece of bamboo. That.
yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It needs a bit of edging, but it is okay.
Lovely.
And in here we have a smaller room, which is a little bookcase.
Yeah.
You know, could use that again, couldn't you?
Yeah.
And Howlett and Son, well, you know, that's everything that every house needs. One of them, doesn't it?
Photog.
Yeah, I think I'll.
The monkey.
He's here, Matt. It's me. That's where we are in here. Right, they're obviously not for sale. Another Shinrosary mirror, quite nice. That goes again. That's all right. Sink. There we go. There we go. The sink's been converted. The sink stand's been an old table. That's a lovely sink.
It is a nice one, isn't it?
That's the nicest thing.
Do you know what? I like the wallpaper.
Yeah.
Can't say that.
I mean, the wardrobe again. I mean, it goes for timber, doesn't it?
Yes.
It's just going to have to use that.
It's break it up and use the parts.
You can't buy the timber, can you?
No.
Cool. Modern bed, just throw that. Okay, so what we at in here? Nice pair of brass beds.
I like the sound.
Is that poker work table, is it?
Yeah, it's poker work. Yeah, that's nice,
Decent enough, isn't it? Another bow front chest of drawers, unfortunately. The beds are nice. They're okay then. And believe it or not, they still want them with the spring mattresses. They never did at one point. Nice bit of needlework.
Is that a sampler? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it? Sorry. Let's have a look.
Needlework sampler.
Yeah, needlework. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice pot cupboard.
Pot cupboard's lovely.
Faux bamboo thing.
Yeah.
That's okay. Yeah, the beds are all right. I'm pleased with those. They're not too bad. Cool.
Well, it's nice. They're a pair.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, in the right spot.
Yeah. How many beds ends have we got in the warehouse?
Oh, millions.
I know.
No, we haven't got any.
I've seen.
Oh, have you?
I've seen.
You know what,
I know
what's in that warehouse than I do, mate.
I just wondered, do you ever get rid of any?
No.
No.
We don't get rid of anything, mate.
No.
Let alone.
They stay, don't they?
Yeah.
That's a nice unit.
It's the top of a linen press.
Linen press?
Yeah, and somebody's put feet on it.
Yeah.
So,
A nice screen. Of a screen there.
yeah, that's a nice, good 9 spine Chester drawers.
Yeah.
That'll do.
They'll move, won't they?
Yeah,
Nice and dry.
great sellers.
Yeah.
Great sellers, Chester drawers. Smashing. Right, okay. That's such a shame, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, so we'll go.
It's a shame, isn't it?
There's more than a van load, isn't there?
Thank you, Matt. Books.
Yeah, books.
These are good reference books, these, Carl, you know. It's all there.
Another boat from Chester drawers. Right, okay. Case full of linen. Again. Display cabinet. These are always good sellers. Needs the doors. Yeah, okay, and another one. In need of a bit of restoration, but again, a good size.
That's a nice, yeah, that's a nice display case, isn't
Yeah,
it?
two-
John
two-
Bill and Sons.
Yeah, 2 nice display cases, aren't they?
Ashton Underline.
So they're okay. They're a winner.
Yeah.
Look at this
Original because
Look at this lino on the floor.
Yeah.
This lino tiles. It's hopscotch, isn't it?
yeah.
Right.
Few records there.
Vinyl for Matt. Do you do singles or just LPs? Is there any money in
Gene
singles?
Scott.
There is money in them. A lot of people don't like them because you've got to sit down, play it for 3 minutes, and then stand up again.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. But as collectors, is there a good collector's market for
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
singles? Yeah.
I have sold a few singles over
Have
the
you?
years.
Right.
I generally don't bother with them.
Right.
Nice photo album, Carl. There's some pictures. Oops.
Yeah.
Daily sketch.
Yeah.
That's the Queen, isn't it? Need my glasses on.
We'll just go through everything, see if we can find any of Rick's bank accounts. And, that'll do.
Nice. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
So sometimes there's more stuff in the garage than there is in the houses. There's more valuable stuff in the garage than there is in the houses. This could be one of them. Knowing Rick, everything in here will need some sort of repair, restoration, or something. But there'll be bits. If there's anything missing from inside the house or anything, it'll probably be in here. Knowing Rick, so you know, there's a day's and a couple of van loads just in here, isn't there? But
Yeah.
looks very interesting. What exactly is how you price it? I don't know. The odd brass bell.
It is ready.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just think of a figure and double it, isn't it? Really, and then and just go through it. I think Rick's taken a loads of rubbishy stuff out for car boot sales. So what he determines is rubbish and what we determine is rubbish is, I don't know. But we pay for what we've seen, really. So and then spend 2 days moving the stuff. While we're here, we'll take a van load. I'll sort out a price with him. We'll agree a price. I'll pay him. I'll take a van load today and probably pick up the rest next week. Because we're just mad busy this week, aren't we? So that'll do. So that about sums it up for today, really, on that.